Hello everyone. So August 11, when I started using organic barley capsule, Omnifit, and organic barley juice. So I'm giving the benefit of the doubt dun sa mga kapanood ng video na sinasabi na inilabas ko daw yung tiyan ko kaya malaki, which is yun naman talaga yung reality. Pag nilabas natin, pag nakaupo tayo, talagang nakalabas naman yung tiyan natin, 'di ba? So August 11, after a few days, bigla ulit ako nag-post. Actually yan, ginrab ko ulit yung picture nung August 15. Pero nung August 15, yan, nag-post ako ng picture ko na kahit pa paano nabawasan na yung weight natin. So, yan, hanggang sa today, nakakatuwa kasi yan, kahit pa paano nagsisitups na ako ng konti, yan, nagiging firm na yung tiyan ko versus dun sa talagang bloated na ang lambot-lambot ng tiyan ko. So, it's a 60-day weight loss program. So, nakadalawang Omnifit bottles na ako and right now, dalawang barley capsule na rin. And tuwing gutom ako, I always drink the barley juice. So, excited ako sa slimming journey nyo if you try out our product. And huwag kayong mahiya na i-message ako kasi this is a good way of becoming slim in a healthy process. Congrats! Hello, what's up mga kabagwis? So, I'm just really proud to share this to you. I started using Omnifit, barley capsule, and then barley juice. So guys, I started August 11, 2023. And itong isa sa mga paborito kong damit noon, hindi ko na masuto because this is medium. Tingnan mo. Medium po siya. So, dahil medium na nabili ko to sa H&M, so hindi ko na masuot. One of my favorite. Wala akong choice kasi hindi ko na masuot kasi sobrang bulky na ng tummy ko. Pero hindi ko naman sinasabing wala na akong bilbel, meron pa rin naman. Pero imagine guys, without me na humihinga ng maayos, is naisusot ko na ulit tong polong to. So, I'm so proud because of what happened just today kasi this is an achievement for me physically and something that can boost my confidence more. Lalo na pag lumalabas ako, yung hindi ka naaasa rin na malaki yung tiyan mo. So, thank you so much, Omnifit Barley Capsule and Barley Organic Juice. Talagang sobrang effective nito guys. Kung gusto nyo ng tips kung paano ko na-achieve to, DM me personally kasi hindi po ako magsisinungaling. I will tell you the truth how I was able to achieve this. God bless everyone!